Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to make chocolate covered strawberries.
Here's everything you're going to need: plates, strawberries, sprinkles and chocolate of your choice, and bowls and spoons.
First things first, make sure you wash your hands and the strawberries.
Then you're going to dry your strawberries so the chocolate doesn't slip off.
Now you're going to heat up your chocolate in a bowl for 30 seconds, intervals until fully melted.
Grab your strawberries by the leaves and spin it in the chocolate to cover it completely.
Place them on a plate and put sprinkles of your choice.
The strawberries are ready to put in the fridge for 24 hours.
Now you're all done. Enjoy!